When it comes to improving your home's overall energy efficiency, one of the most effective and impactful upgrades you can make is installing energy-efficient doors. In Meridian, Idaho, where temperatures can vary drastically between hot summers and cold winters, the right doors can make all the difference in maintaining a comfortable home while keeping energy bills in check. Energy-efficient doors are designed to prevent heat from escaping during the winter and block unwanted heat during the summer, helping to create a more stable and cost-effective indoor environment. In this article, we'll explore the numerous benefits of energy-efficient doors and why they are a must for homeowners in Meridian. Lower energy bills. One of the most compelling reasons to upgrade to energy-efficient doors is the potential for significant savings on your energy bills. Traditional doors, particularly older models, are prone to drafts, leaks, and poor insulation, all of which allow your heating and cooling systems to work harder. This means your HVAC system has to work overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature, leading to higher energy costs. Energy-efficient doors, on the other hand, are designed to provide a tighter seal and better insulation. These doors often feature features like insulated cores, double or triple pane glass, and weatherproof seals, all of which work together to prevent energy loss. By reducing the amount of air exchange between the inside and outside of your home, energy-efficient doors help maintain a more stable indoor temperature, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems and ultimately lowering your monthly utility bills. Year-round comfort. Meridian experiences a range of temperatures throughout the year, from cold winters to hot summers. In the winter, temperatures can dip well below freezing, while summer days often soar into the 90s or even higher. Energy-efficient doors are built to withstand these temperature extremes and help maintain a comfortable indoor environment regardless of the weather outside. During the cold months, energy-efficient doors prevent heat from escaping, keeping your home warm and cozy. In the summer, they block the sun's heat, helping to keep your home cooler without overworking your air conditioning. This year-round comfort is particularly valuable for Meridian homeowners, as it allows you to stay comfortable throughout the seasons without worrying about fluctuating indoor temperatures or high energy costs. Enhanced insulation and noise reduction. In addition to temperature control, energy-efficient doors often provide superior insulation that helps to reduce noise transfer. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a main road in Meridian, you may find that external noises, such as traffic or outdoor events, can be disruptive to your daily life. Energy-efficient doors, particularly those with insulated cores or multiple layers of glass, can help create a more peaceful and quiet living environment by reducing the amount of external noise that enters your home. By choosing energy-efficient doors, you not only improve the comfort of your home but also enhance the soundproofing, making it a more serene space where you can relax, work, and sleep undisturbed by outside noise. Increased home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors is a smart investment that can increase the value of your home. Homebuyers today are more aware of energy efficiency and often look for homes that feature energy-saving features, such as high-performance windows and doors. Installing energy-efficient doors in your Meridian home makes it more appealing to potential buyers, as they can see that the home is designed to save on utility costs and provide year-round comfort. Moreover, energy-efficient upgrades like doors often result in a high return on investment, ROI, meaning you'll get back a significant portion of the money you spend on the upgrade when you decide to sell your home. Not only do you benefit from lower energy bills while living in the home, but you'll also see increased property value when it's time to sell. Eco-friendly benefits. Meridian homeowners who prioritize sustainability will appreciate the eco-friendly benefits of energy-efficient doors. By reducing energy consumption and minimizing the need for heating and cooling, energy-efficient doors help to lower your home's carbon footprint. This not only benefits the environment but also aligns with growing efforts to reduce overall energy demand and conserve resources. With a reduced reliance on your HVAC system, energy-efficient doors help you live more sustainably while still maintaining a comfortable and enjoyable living space. These eco-friendly upgrades are a smart choice for homeowners who want to reduce their environmental impact and make their homes more energy efficient. Improved curb appeal and aesthetics. While energy-efficient doors offer numerous practical benefits, they can also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. These doors come in a wide variety of styles, colors, and materials, allowing you to choose one that complements your home's architecture and design. Whether you're looking for a modern, sleek appearance or a more traditional, classic design, you can find energy-efficient doors that suit your taste and elevate your home's exterior. In Meridian, where home aesthetics are important, an attractive, energy-efficient door can significantly boost your home's curb appeal. A new door that combines style, functionality, and energy efficiency is a great way to enhance the overall look of your property while reaping the long-term benefits of improved insulation and lower energy costs. Conclusion. Energy-efficient doors are a must for homeowners in Meridian who want to improve their home's energy performance, enhance comfort, and reduce energy costs. With benefits like lower utility bills, year-round temperature control, increased home value, and eco-friendly advantages, energy-efficient doors offer an excellent return on investment. Whether you're updating your front door, patio doors, or interior doors, choosing energy-efficient options is a smart way to create a more comfortable, cost-effective, and sustainable home. If you're looking for a way to make your home more energy efficient and stylish, investing in energy-efficient doors is a decision that will pay off in both the short and long term.